So we are currently replacing the lapping plate. So we need some strong manly men here. Eye bolt through the middle. It's a monster. Got the new one over there.
Hey guys, welcome to the lapping machine. I'm Sky. We just pulled the old copper plate off and I cleaned out the entire everything. It ended up being incredibly packed with gunk and crud and stuff, but it's mostly cleared out now. I had to literally put on gloves and like dig out the lapping crud by hand until I could get in there with a paper towel, and it was a mess. I ended up flushing it out 3 or 4 times to get everything to flow through. We had to change out the plate because the copper plate was getting too thin. We almost ran through all of the copper on the plate, which would have been really bad. So we got a new plate made out of an iron composite instead of a copper composite. It should last a lot longer because it's not as soft as the copper. Since we're running hardened stainless steel and titanium, which are both very abrasive, we figured more abrasion resistant medium would be better. The plate's magnetic. It'll probably rust. It smells like metal. We're hoping that it holds less heat because it's less heat conductive. We're hoping that it is less gunky. I don't know. It seems better so far. We got an extremely similar service finish in 15 minutes less of a cycle time.
Huge.
Oh.
Yeah, the finish looks good. Do you have one you can show us?
Yeah.
Yep, finish looks great.
Oh yeah. The real test will be blades. Very happy with how the changeover went. Thanks everyone. See you in the next one. Heat treat video coming soon.